Hi guys, it's Melissa, and I wanted to do a Dollar Tree haul for you. Excuse my voice, I've been dealing with a cold. Excuse my appearance, I didn't feel like doing much with myself today, but I had a trunk full of stuff from Dollar Tree from a couple of trips, and I wanted to show you what I got. So, let me get started. This is in no particular order, and here we go. So, I got some Band-Aids, always a good thing. I like the fabric ones because they bend. I got some cups. My kids like to rinse out their mouth, as most people do when they brush their teeth, but they get toothpaste all over my regular cups, and I'm sick of it. So I got these. I got these sandwich cookies. These are one of my husband's favorites, and honestly, I sneak some sometimes when I get them. But they're a cookie with peanut butter. They're really good. You don't want to toss those. Okay, so I have some really cool stuff, and I should have maybe put it all together, but it'll keep you watching because you'll want to see the whole video. So they have Christmas out. I'm sure that you've heard that. And so I got some of the Christmas stickers. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I suspect they'll be on a DIY, but I also have a really thin, slim Christmas tree that I decorate farmhouse, and it needs smaller ornaments. And so I was thinking those could be good for that tree if I need them to. Okay, I got the words that everybody's been wanting that say peace, joy, and believe. And I have to tell you, last year I bought like 4 packs of the Harvest ones, and I still haven't used them. So I only bought 1 pack of this, but I thought that was great. All right. Bought a Sharpie, always need one, and especially with crafting, so I bought that. How many of you remember toll painting? I always wanted to learn how to toll paint, and I never got the chance to do so. I love to paint. I love to paint for crafts, but I never got the chance to learn how to toll paint. And I've been watching Crafts by Caitlin. Her channel is so fun. I just love to watch her, and I love to watch her paint and blend things. And so I decided I was going to buy a couple things and try to learn how to toll paint. So I bought a star, and I bought the snowflake. And I figured for $1, I could practice. They have lots of angles for me to practice, and it could be a really good thing. Okay, this next thing is really cool. And I haven't mentioned, but we were hoping to go on a cruise this past summer. So I've been learning all about cruising and all that stuff. And I've heard the walls are magnetic. And so you want to have magnets and all these things. And so I had never seen these before. These are magnetic hooks. And so I bought them for someday if we go on a cruise to hang our lanyards on, hang a hat on, hang whatever on. I don't know how much weight they hold, but I'd never seen them, and they're pretty wide. Sorry. They're pretty wide, and they're pretty strong. They were sticking to some stuff in this bag. So, yeah, so that was pretty cool. Okay, 1 bag down, 45 to go. Just kidding. All right. My husband is eating a lot of vegetables, and so I found this pepper stir fry, and it's just onions and different peppers, red and yellow, possibly orange, and it was 14 ounces for $1. Can't beat that. I mean, a green pepper can cost you almost $1. Another one of those. Need to get that in the freezer. Okay, I'm so jealous. I've seen so many people haul the big boxes of cereal, and I've never seen them, and I really wanted to, and just got behind because I've been sick. But I went today, and they had the Dipping Dots. and it is a 10-ounce box. I have no idea if this is good, but it's cookies and cream, so it's Oreo, and so I bought a couple boxes of that. I thought that was a great deal. Okay. My next bag. I know there's a lot of controversy around her. I think that she was, I'm not going to say. It's not for me to judge. I just think sometimes people are judged a little bit harshly for some of the things that they do, and we all make mistakes. But I have loved watching her show. I enjoy watching her in general. And so when I saw this book, I was like, oh, yeah, I'll buy that. And it was US $30. So Megyn Kelly, Settle for More. And I think I read it's her first book. Okay, I bought a couple of these. I wouldn't normally buy these, but I love them because they're plastic. And I got something in the Target dollar spot that I actually paid full price for that I'm going to replicate with these. So I bought a couple of those. And I bought a power strip because I always need to be plugging things in and never have enough plugs. And then I saw they had the Buffalo Check scarves. And I know the black and the white. And I know a lot of you love Buffalo Check. I'm not into it, the black and the white. So I held it in my hand and I thought, should I buy this just because everybody else is buying it? And I put it back. I kind of did the same thing with the cotton stems. They're cute. They're just not my thing. So instead, I bought what I loved, which was this blue and tan and cream. And I bought a couple of them, and I've got some DIYs in mind for that. Thought they would go perfect for the winter decorating with snowmen. So, bought those. And then I bought this Let It Snow. I live in Utah, and we have snow all winter. And so after Christmas, I tend to want to decorate with snowmen and snowflakes and all that. So I bought this, and maybe after I learn how to toll paint, I can do something really cute with this. Or it could go inside a wreath. There's lots of options for that. So, lots of Christmas stuff. I've heard, I watched Bargain Bethany, and I heard that they're going to have a second craft aisle, and I have not yet seen that at my store. But hopefully it will come. So I haven't seen that, and I haven't seen them fully stocked for Christmas yet, but they're getting it in, which is always exciting. So, okay, I bought some more of these stickers. I've been doing lots of crafts with these. I think I have some, yeah, I have the smaller, the upper and the lower case. And I'm going to try on something to put these down and paint over them and then pull them off. I just haven't been daring enough to do that yet. But yeah, those are a lot of fun. And I always buy a couple because sometimes you need a letter and you only get like one or two of them. Okay, I am always out of pens. Always. I love these in the colored, the Clip Clicks. Are they by Jot? Don't think so. Love these in they're Greenbrier. Love these in the colored. I got them in the blue just because I can't always use all of the colors. You don't see them, but love these. And they last a lot longer than some I've gotten at Dollar Tree. Okay, I got this tip from, Dazzling Duchess, Jeannie. She has really pretty curly hair, and she was talking about how she needs a satin pillowcase because her hair just gets out of control. And I have a child with really pretty curly hair that gets out of control. So I bought 2 satin pillowcases, and I was happy to get them just in a plain color. Thought we would try those and see if they were helpful for my daughter's hair. and I bought an extension cord because I have set up an area in our basement to do crafts. We have lived here almost 20 years, and I had a craft room when we first moved in and had no children. And we've now got teenage children, and I have had to do crafts at our kitchen table and all different places. Sorry. And our kitchen table is now my desk. So I have my computer, my kids have their computers. So I'd have to clean that all off to do crafts. So I just said to my husband, I need to take part of your man cave and have a little section for crafting. And that little section keeps growing. But he's been good about it. And so anyways, I have a glue gun down there, and I wanted to have the extension cord in place so that I could just plug it in when I needed to and be ready to go. Okay, going back to that farmhouse Christmas tree, they had these foam, what are they calling them? Foam floral something. Floral foam. But they're balls. And I have a great DIY that I'm going to do that you could do for a Christmas tree, or you could do to sit in a bowl or something. So if you see these, I had never seen these. I'd seen the ones that are like build your own solar system, but I'd never seen these. And they had the 4-pack, and then I think they had one that was slightly bigger that was a 3-pack. But because of my tree, it's small, I need small things, I got the smaller. So pick those up because you'll want to do the DIY that I do. Okay, it's birthday season at our house, and so I'm always looking for something to give for birthdays. So my daughter loves cookie butter and she loves Nutella. So her birthday's coming up, and I thought I could give those and they could be her very own. She would love that. My husband said, why don't we just go to Trader Joe's? Because I'm at Dollar Tree. That's why. Okay. I bought this, which will be a pooper scooper for our dog. We have an older dog, and he has to go on our deck, and we have to clean it off. And so I bought this. And then finally, the last thing that I bought, I've never bought these, and I finally decided I can take this apart. It's cute by itself, but I can take it apart and use it for a lot of things. So I bought a Bless This Home, and I plan to use these for something really cute. And you get 3 of those for $1. So I think that's it. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. Thanks for sticking with me through all of this. Kind of a mismatch of stuff, but like I said, I've been sick and it's several trips to the Dollar Tree, and I just wanted to make sure I shared it before I put it all away so you guys could see some things that you might want to look for yourself. So I hope everything is well. I hope you're staying well, and until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.